Do you need help making a logo for your YouTube channel? That's what we talk about today. Here we go! Hello and welcome back to another video. I'm Alan Spicer, your YouTube certified expert, and if you're looking to rebrand your channel, maybe give yourself a brand identity, a logo, I'm here to help you. If you use your face a lot in your own branding, but you want to kind of place some kind of icon, something that people can recognize, something that you can put on merchandise, maybe you need a logo. For example, SciShow is a science show that has multiple hosts, but everybody knows SciShow and the SciShow logo, so why not create your own? Let's go to the computer. Okay, so you're starting a new YouTube channel and you want a logo. This could either be for your avatar, or it could go in your banners, or you want it to go on your t-shirts. That's fine. If we go to logo, and then we go along down to YouTubers, this is a great place to get some ideas. So I'm going to type in my name. Now you can hone the specific type of logo that you wish. So abstract, avatars, bakery, beauty, church, clothing, gaming, education, photography, anything that you wish really. So how about I try bakery? Because, you know, I like food. Because you never know, I might open a bakery. Might want to teach you how to make donuts or anything like that. And it will start generating some logos for you, right? Based on what they've already got in their design things. There you go. I've got a unicorn. I've got a cake stand. They work through typography. That's a top of a cupcake, right? I've got a chef's hat. And they'll just keep going, and they've got more and more options down here. So why don't we pick one of these and make some changes, and I'll show you how easy it is to change. I'm going to go for, let's go for the cupcake, I think. Everyone likes a cupcake. So this is your logo. At any point, you can change the details on the right-hand side, what's above the name, right? So I can either have the top of the cupcake, in which I can then pick colours. So it could be, you know, red, green, or yellow and green, right? I don't know. I'm not a, you know, cakey person other than eating it, clearly, right? That clearly looks like poo. Poo, smiley poo. And the more you go down here on the right hand side, the more options they've got. You can always just keep going through. It's very easy. You can type whatever you want on the side as well. So it could be food, and it'll bring up other options. So all of a sudden that's now like a hot dog or a lobster, right? You can type whatever you want on the right hand side. So it could be Alan's Lobster Shack, because I've gone from being a baker to being a lobster person. Once again, I've never even tried lobster, by the way. So Alan's Lobster Shack, and then, which you know, it's a yellow and green lobster rather than a pink one, which is fine. And then whenever you're ready, you click download. Now this one is paid for. Some of them are free. Just have a play around. And just to show you, this is how you upload it. So that's a banner that I've created also using Placeit. There'll be a link to that video, either in the iCard or in the description down below. For me to change the banner over here, I hover over here, I click edit, ask me to upload the image file. That's the Lobster Shack. It updates on here, and then it normally takes a little while to upload on the test channel, but it seems to have done it straight away. So this channel is a mix between 8-bit Spicer Gaming and a lobster, but still, that's how you make a logo using Placeit. For more help with intros, outros, banner arts, that kind of thing, there's a playlist here. Go out there, start creating.